In this video, I will briefly share more information about how you are the creator of your life's experiences. You are the creator of your life's experiences, and it's important to note that you are not broken and nothing has gone wrong in your life. The purpose of your past is to learn from your life's experiences and allow yourself to choose what to become. You create your reality and you can change it anytime you choose. You always have a choice. When you believe life is happening to you, you feel disempowered and powerless. This distorts your energy field and causes you to think thoughts such as, I am not worthy, I am not enough, I don't belong, I am not lovable, and so on. If you're stuck with a limited version of who you think you are living from the outside in instead of the inside out, and you get caught up with the mind stories and beliefs. Remember, when you're in your mind, you're a few layers out from the physical body. Where you place your attention determines where your energy flows. You are not here to merely respond to life because you are not a victim of your life circumstances. You are here to be the creator of your life so you can continue to evolve and expand. Knowing you are the creator of your life and living from this perspective gives you immense freedom and personal power. Essentially, this principle is about aligning your energy with your creativity so life can flow with ease and grace. Here are some phrases that may support and inspire you in your journey of transformation. I open my heart to pure love in all that I experience, think, and feel. I initiate the energies of love, compassion, gratitude, kindness, and forgiveness for myself and others. I always have the option to make a different choice, as I am the creator of my life's experiences.